I want to show you a few ways that you can use Snipfeed AI Assistant to help you with your digital products and course. Let me show you my screen because I really think that this is going to be helpful for you. And let me adjust myself. Before you say, absolutely no way, no thank you, there's no way I can use AI because that's cheating. That is absolutely not the case. Think about AI like your assistant, like prompts, like a template that you can use, but that's not the end all be all. You're going to be able to create your own voice through it. You're going to be able to add, remove, multiply, whatever you need to do as far as the words. But I understand that it can be uncomfortable because it's new. Stick with me. I'm going to show you how you can use it. For example, if you go right here on the side where it says AI desk, and you go down to monetization, product description. So let's explore. Let's just play around with it. There you go. What are you offering? Okay. So let's just say that I'm going to offer a one-on-one call. Okay. Product title. Come up with a title for your name. Offer purpose and value. So I'm going to tell them what it's about. My one-on-one call. I'm going to help them get clarity in their messaging, strategy, and we're also going to do monetizing ideas. So that's what the call is going to be about. This is going to be a fun tone. Let's generate and let's see what comes up. Okay, I'm already obsessed. Result number 1, are you ready to take your social media presence to the next level? I'm here to help. My one-on-one call, the social collective call, will give you clarity and a boost. My one-on-one call will give you clarity and a boost in your TikTok strategy, monetizing ideas, and messaging. Benefit from my expertise and take the leap to achieving your social media goals now. I love that. Okay, let's try the second one. Upgrade your content strategy with an exclusive one-on-one call with me. Get clarity on your messaging, TikTok strategy, and monetization ideas. Get all the insights and tips you need to maximize your digital presence and drive growth to your social media account. Don't wait, book your call. 100% yes. We already like this. I'm just going to save this because I like it. Screenshot. Okay. So that is one of them. Product description. Another thing that you can do with this is content creation ideas. I know that sometimes we get stuck. So if you go to strategy and go to TikTok ideas spot, you're going to talk to the AI people like the AI people. You're going to talk to the robots as if they are a person. Okay. So he asked me, hey, Senya, my name is TikTok bot. I'm here to help you. First, how are you doing? Okay. So it says, it seems you want to create confidence in business content to help you make money online. Some of the services you offer is online courses, Q&As. Am I right? Yes, please. And the reason why they know is because they have my products. So they have my course description. So they go through all of the things that I have listed. But in your case, if you don't have that, you have to ask them, okay, so what are your main goals for growing on TikTok? Is it to build an audience, increase course sales, get consulting clients? I'm thinking things like attracting new customers, generating leads. Does that match what you're looking for? Yes, it does. Perfect. So it has an idea. They're really focusing, they already have it. So each chatbot has like a whole goal. Let's take a look. How I turned a small following into six-figure business. Share your story and tips with a powerful video. Stop. Okay. Lead your community in a fun, confident challenge. Okay, that's cool. Q&A, how to get comfortable on camera. Answer a common question that your audience has about video. Behind the scenes, my daily workout routine. Show people how confidence comes through a morning routine. Dude, these are all so good. Okay. If this isn't already me convincing you to get the AI Snipfeed assistant, I don't know what is. The times are changing. And because us as humans, we don't like change, sometimes it is a little bit scary, but dive into it and see what happens. Because of the templates that I have over on Notion or the PDFs, wherever you decide to write your emails, plus AI is going to really help you get this thing moving. Okay. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.